Okay, here's the camera. We're about to leave for vacation, so I'm going to make this quick. You gotta move the bird nest out of the trailer. Whoa! Sorry.
It's okay.
Goodness. Good thing Mama Bird's not around.
Yeah, she wouldn't be too happy about this, would she? How are you going to move that thing?
I greatly hesitate to do this, but I think I'll need to move the eggs.
Try to scoop up the whole thing between your hands.
The nest is clustered right there. The nest is just clustered right there, and the eggs are just leaning up against it. That's why I gotta move the eggs as gently as humanly possible. I think Dad's coming. Hey,
Hurry.
Dad! We found a bird nest in the trailer. We found a bird nest in the trunk.
The trailer hitch. Come on, hurry. Get it out. We're filming it, so come on.
I need some help moving the eggs very gently somewhere safe so I can move the nest as well.
Okay.
They're so tiny.
So what do you need me to do?
I need you to grab hold of these eggs very gently, and then I can grab the nest as well.
Wow, that thing held together.
Okay, I got it.
Did you take a picture of it before you pull the eggs out?
Yeah.
Where are you going to put it?
Why don't we put it back there somewhere in a bush or something?
I think back here's a good idea.
This is where it came from.
Oh, it is? Really?
The trailer was parked right there.
Oh,
Oh, you're right. I didn't even think of that.
maybe up on that bank or something? Or maybe on top of one of those logs.
Yeah, that's perfect.
Whoop. Okay. Maybe this was a good idea.
Sure.
And mission accomplished.
There we go. Mission accomplished.